Welcome back to 3D Decode. Today we're diving into API 682 seal plans and how they tie into pump cause and effect logic. We'll walk through fast selection rules, instrumentation, C&E logic blocks, quick calculations, a mini quiz, interview-style Q&A, and finally a practical task. Learning theory, picking the right plan, fast rules. Plan 11, internal recirculation, clean, non-coking services, simple flush from discharge to seal chamber via an orifice. Plan 32, external flush, for dirty, polymerizing, or poor lubricity fluids. Inject clean external fluid at flush, seal. Plan 52, dual unpressurized buffer, tandem seals, buffer near atmospheric, detects inner-outer leakage, used when zero process dilution is needed but small emissions are tolerable. Plan 53ABC, dual pressurized barrier, for hazardous or toxic services where zero leakage is required. 53A, bladder accumulator. 53B, piston accumulator. 53C, pressure booster or thermosiphon. Rule of thumb, hazardous plus zero emissions, Plan 53. Dirty fluid coking risk, Plan 32 with high-quality flush. Benign plus clean, Plan 11. Containment without dilution, Plan 52. At NASH, instrumentation set point patterns, typical. Plan must have instruments, typical set points, fail actions, fail deflush. E11 pit, discharge, delta P across orifice, TT at seal. Flush delta P min, TT not high, fixed orifice flow. 32, flush, filter coalescer. Flush seal 1 bar, flushed min, low flush alarm escalate. 52, buffer LT LLHH PTTT. HH equals inner seal leak, L equals outer leak. HH alarm maintenance, toxic service may trip. P bar LAL LLL, TT LTLL relief to safe. P bar up seal 1.5 to 2 bar. P bar LLL trip, high P relief, low level. Hack C&E logic blocks you'll reuse. Plan 11 failure. No flush delta P alarm. If fluid can coke or flash, trip. Plan 32 failure. Low flush or zero flush with timer. Trip in hazardous services. Alarm in benign services. Plan 52 indications. Buffer HH, inner seal leak. Alarm, plan shutdown. Buffer LL, outer leak, alarm. Add gas detection trip if vented. Plan 53 failures. Barrier PLLL, trip. Low level, alarm. High temperature, alarm trip. Relief lift, alarm in action. Calculations, 2 quick practical examples. A, Plan 53A, barrier set point and accumulator sizing, given seal equals 16 bar G. Add margin PBR min equals 18 bar G. Choose band Pmax equals 21 bar G. Absolute P min A equals 19 bar A. Pmax A equals 22 bar A. Leakage equals 2 cc min over 8H equals 0.96 else. Formula, del V equals VG min, V 1 minus P min bar Pmax. VG min equals del V 1 minus 19.2 to 7.0 liter. Shell volume equals VG min 0.9, 7.8 liters, plus 25% margin 10 of accumulator. If leakage equals 5 cc min, but 24 liters. If leakage equals 20 cc min, the 890B, Plan 11, orifice for flush, target Q flush equals 2 liter per min. SG equals 0.8, Re equals 800 kilomicrometers, del PP equals 2 bar, CD 0.62. Result, orifice D 1.75 millimeters. At delta P equal 1 bar, D 2.0 millimeter. At delta P of 3 bar, D 1.58 millimeter. At del P equal 5 bar, D 1.390. Mini quiz, drop your answers in comments. 1. Why is Plan 53 preferred for hazardous toxic fluids over Plan 52? 2. For Plan 32, what must be true about flush versus seal and why? 3. In C&E, what should happen on Plan 53 barrier PLLL? 4. Name one instrument that proves an inner seal leak on Plan 52. 5. If assumed leakage for Plan 53A doubles, what happens to accumulator size? Practical task, sketch a PNID, Plan 11, take off orifice return. Plan 53A, reservoir accumulator, cooler PT, LTTT, PSV to safe area. C&E rows, 4 lines. Plan 32, lobe flush, 10S, trip pump, alarm log. Plan 52, buffer HH, alarm, plan shutdown, persistent HH trip. Plan 53, barrier PLLL, trip pump, alarm, log. Plan 53, barrier temp TH, alarm, open cooler bypass. Sizing check. Use the Plan 53A sizing formula for your seal margin leakage runtime. Use the Plan 11 orifice formula for your required flush flow and delta P. Interview Q&A. Q. Plan 11 versus Plan 32. When do you pick each? A. Plan 11 for clean, non-coking fluids. Plan 32 for dirty coking fluids or when you need clean lubricating flush. Q. Why keep P bar seal in Plan 53? A. Ensures leakage always goes barrier process, not process atmosphere. Common mistakes with Plan 53A. Undersized accumulator, wrong precharge, missing relief, missing temperature monitoring. Q. What does Plan 52 buffer level high mean? Inner seal leakage into buffer. Requires planned shutdown. In toxic service, may escalate to trip. Q. Why must Plan 32 use a filter coalescer? A. To guarantee flush fluid quality. Poor flush destroys seals. And that wraps up our session on API 682 seal plan logic and how it links with pump C&E. Try the quiz in the comments, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to 3D Decode for more deep dive engineering videos. See you in the next session.